sprouted moong is very beneficial for our body, and today we are making sprouted moong chaat. It's very healthy, so let's get started. So here I have taken 1.5 cup of sprouted moong dal. I have boiled it for 1 minute in the boiling water and then washed it under cold water. And now add 1 medium-sized tomato and half cup steamed corns, half cup chopped lettuce. Mixed everything together. If you are trying to lose weight, this is best meal for you. And now add 1 tablespoon mint chutney and 3 tablespoon tamarind and date chutney. If you don't have at home, you can find it at any Indian store, or you can make it at home also. And now add half cup chopped coriander and 1 teaspoon chaat masala. You can check no fry Dahi bhalla recipe and Lobia chaat recipe also on my channel if you are looking for something very healthy options. And now it's ready. Enjoy it with your family at any time of the day, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and yes, bell icon dabana mat bhulein. You will find the link of Lobia chaat and no fry bhallas under the description box.